Hey guys, let's see how to enable timestamp on a Eufy camera. In this case, I have a SoloCam S340, but works with any Eufy cameras. So as you can see, there's the date and time here. That's the timestamp. You just need to come here to the settings, and then you have this option here for video. There you go, video settings and watermark. And as you can see, I have timestamp enabled, and I can also show a logo. Then I can check timestamp and logo. It's up to you. Just select what you want, or no timestamp or logo. As long as you have everything that way, you can come back. And also here in general, you can check the date and time settings, right? So time settings here, I have the correct time zone, time format the way I want. You can select 12 hours or 24. It's up to you. And as long as you enable here the time zone, the current time is going to adjust itself, right? And so when you come back to the main screen, you're gonna see here that I have the timestamp working pretty fine, right? Let me just show you the way, you see better, the way timestamp working fine. So I hope you like this video. Please consider subscribe to this channel, leave your comments, and I see you in the next one.